Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete iOS update on any iPhone. Now, first, before you do that, you need to know that deleting any update will not harm your iPhone. So this process is totally safe. Now, to do that, first you'll have to open the settings of your iPhone. And after that, you should scroll down till you find here the section General. Click on General Settings. Once you click on General Settings, you'll have to search for iPhone storage. Tap on it. Then here it will show you all the applications and the updates on your phone. You'll have to scroll down till you find the update that you want to delete. So here in my case, I have downloaded iOS 17.7 update, so I have to delete it. So I'll search for it, and here I have found it, iOS 17.7. Just click on it, and once you click on it, here you will find this option, delete update. Just click on it. Then here you will find another option, click on delete update, and now you can re-download this from the software update settings. And to do that, you'll have to go to the settings again, go to general, then go to software update, and you will find the latest update in this section. Now, in some cases, you may not find this delete update button. So to fix this issue, you can simply try to restart your iPhone or reboot it, turn it off, then turn it on again. And this is one of the main solutions that you can use. And the second solution is to simply go and check your battery status and see if you have any problem with your iPhone battery. And the third thing that you can do is to go and contact iPhone support. And once you contact them, just tell them that you want to delete an update, and they will tell you exactly the most necessary steps to do this process. And if you have any other issues, they will fix it to you. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.